Hey, have you downloaded iMovie for PC from the Microsoft Store only to find that you can't export the files? Hey, it's XK, and I'm here to give you a few words on downloading and choosing a video editing app. If you like this content, be sure to hit the subscription button and give me a like at the bottom of the screen. By the end of the movie, I will give you a little tip on what you can use for your PC to do video editing. Well, here's my story. I downloaded what I thought was iMovie for PC. I went to the Microsoft Store and the Movie Maker app popped up. I, in my infinite not knowing, thought it was the same as iMovie. But when I got the movie, it turned out to be Movie Maker. I kept working with it. In fact, I learned how to use it using a tutorial and then created a video to upload and edited it. And then when I got ready to export it, the file would not export without a subscription, which was about 30 bucks. So I'm here to help you learn from my mistake and say, if you need an app for PC for video editing, don't click on the iMovie in Microsoft because you will get Movie Maker, which is a totally different app. iMovie is strictly for Mac, and luckily I have two Macs at the house and an iPad, and I could go ahead and do my video editing on iMovie, which required another tutorial. No problem, I knocked it on out. But had I known, it would have saved me probably 2 hours of working with the Movie Maker only to determine or to find that I couldn't export it without paying for another app subscription. Now here's a tip. If you want to use an app for PC for video editing, I would say Premiere Pro or one of the apps on Adobe. I think that Premiere Pro is a more difficult app to use. It has more screens in it and more, what do you call those little segments on the screen that are hard to use. So I ended up going back to iMovie on my Mac. I'm gonna have to get someone to show me how to use Premiere Pro because it's a bit hard to use, and the menus are subtly different, but different enough. That's my tip. Go with Premiere Pro or use the iMovie for the Mac. Save yourself some time, learn from my mistakes, and keep it 100. Out of here.